大家好，又係我 Kyle 啊！今日終於嚟到我哋最恐怖，亦都係最大嘅 Poppy Playtime Chapter 3。咁今次我哋唔係喺工廠嘅入口嚟到做 opening 啦，而係直接面對我哋今次嘅 boss 啊 Catnap 啊！咁呢度同大家細細回顧翻啦。咁我哋 Chapter 1就係收到餅帶啦，然後咧就入到去呢間神秘又我講就好笑地講緊實驗性啦。咁其實我覺得應該係間實驗室嚟嘅，一個大型實驗室，或者應該係一個實驗場所咯，可以話。咁我哋就俾Huggy Wuggy 追殺啦，喺通風管，跟住佢最尾跌咗落街啦。我唔知佢死咗未啦，應該死咗啦。而我哋 Chapter 2就遇到我哋傳説中嘅孔媽媽 Mummy Longlegs，咁同佢玩咗3個小遊戲啦。然後攞到嗰個火車密碼啦，要去到 Poppy 啦，跟住同 Poppy 一齊搭火車啦，點知就炒咗車啦。就係因為俾 Poppy 佢同我講話唔可以叫我走啦。跟住我哋 Chapter 2最尾我哋見到有 Play Care 嘅字眼，咁其實就喺呢個嘅歡樂托兒中心，或者應該叫托育中心，不過冇所謂啦。仲有就係孤兒院啦，簡單嚟講就係孤兒場所啦。咁喺呢間公司做噶啦。咁入面有一系列嘅新嘅怪物，咁我哋而家即刻嚟睇下啦，好唔好？咁我哋今次 Chapter 3就叫做深度睡眠啦 ，Deep Sleep 啊！我哋喺火車即係撞火車出咗軌之後咧，我哋就要去揾到呢個新嘅地方啦。咁呢度我都會翻譯中文俾大家睇啦，咁可以放心嘅。咁我哋不如事不宜遲啦，我哋開始啦，好嘛？但我想講 Catnap 你真係好鬼死大隻。
What's the time?
Playtime! S-M-I-L-E every day! When you are down and out, no need to frown and pout. The Smiley Critters here to say S-M-I-L-E every day!
The wind's really scary. I can't sleep.
Hey, we'll be okay, guys. I promise. All winds blow away. Eventually.
.哇！呢個敲門聲有啲嚇親我啊，有啲詭異。Catnap！哇！嚇死咩？啲樣
Help us go to sleep, Catnap.
Eat it, Catnap.
Help us.
Sleep, sleep, sleep.
哇！哇！黐咗線啊！癲癲地咯〜
Huggy Wuggy and Poppy Playtime, but are your children safe from Playtime Co.'s latest toy? What you've seen here is Playtime Co.'s own Smiling Critters.
微笑小伙伴
Cartoon meant to celebrate the release of the toys sharing its name. Yet both now face the fire sparked by the inclusion of one key member. This is Catnap. And like the others of the
睡睡貓
line, you just pull his little tail and
哇！噴煙嘅
innocent enough. However, parents across the country report their children experiencing strange and often violent nightmares.
詭異又暴力嘅噩
Their
夢
little, grinning Catnap doll. Now, with controversy growing, Playtime Co. has announced the recall of all Catnap toys from the Smiling Critters line. His image cleared from all promotional material. But damage already done, will disappearing be that easy? The exact cause of these incidents still unknown.
8隻 Smiling Critters
Appears glaringly certain.
變咗7隻
Your children are not safe.
，not safe 係唔安全嘅 Catnap 係好唔安全。咁睇嚟今次我哋面對嘅怪物就係呢班 Smiling Critters 啦，咁就係微笑小伙伴。咁我哋開始，喂，咁大隻爪嘅喂！我哋嚟到呢個我都唔知道邊度嚟嘅喎。我哋上一站唔係炒車嘅咩？唔係喺架火車入面咩？紫色嘅，唔通係 Catnap？ 唔通就係 catnap 唔通？喂真係喎喂！喂，我哋去邊啊？喂呢度邊度嚟㗎？喂起身我係先啦，起身。Find our way out。喂呢度邊度嚟㗎喂？喂咪我哋做咩嚟㗎？喂阿叔緊啊埲牆 ，shit 走，係咪呢度？應該係啊 ，yes。然後點樣？我唔記得咗喂。哦 OK 撳實相 OK。喂呀！我哋上一集 Chapter 2嘅綠色手仲喺度。呢度 OK。好暗喎！我唔係有手電筒嘅咩喂？唔係有手電筒點撳啊？手電筒手電筒咩掣啊？手電筒咩掣啊 ？check 下先。踎低啦，跳。另外兩個冇任何掣可以用到住。我哋 crouch。呢個睇嚟似一個 press 正方形 to 咩啊 interact。互動。咁我哋唔行呢度住，我哋睇咗其他地方先。但係好暗啊，大佬。喂，可唔可以加翻個手電筒啊？我記得 Chapter 2有手電筒喎。我喺度流緊血嘅喂。呢度有本筆記。咩事啊？安唔安全啊？到底呢度？嗰度係咪有嚿嘢啊？大家見唔見啊？嗰度前面，我唔知大家見唔見到。嘿，有一次3、2、1，嘿，哎呀，落得少少，嘿，再落得少少先，嘿，喂唔得喎，攞唔到喎，呢個算啦。呢度好似冇乜嘢啦，下咧就係我哋啱啱俾人碾壓嘅工廠，咪碾壓嘅地方。咁今集應該應該有紙條。咁 VHS 我都會幫大家翻譯嘅啦，今次都係一樣。開門。哇！咩料喺度？有 red smoke 喎，有啲紅煙喎下低。喂！跑快兩步喂！跑快兩步！喂 ！shit！OK，我係第一死。開 game 唔夠30秒死，因唔係怪物而係自己。點跑啊到底？我跑緊啊，原來已經。睇一停先。OK，我哋等多 round 先。OK，up。OK，搞掂。Camnap？Is that you Camnap？我估應該係 Camnap 嚟㗎，啱啱我好明顯。喂，甩機啊喂！你睇甩機有咩玩法啊 ？OK，let's go。踎低，落去。喂，哇！頂嚇死我咩？真以為通風管追逐戰又翻嚟添。我要撳實添啊！今次，唉，救命！你唔好玩我啦。呢度過唔到嘅，呢度都冇嘢嘅，咁即係行右邊啦。有點慢啊，行得。呢度開啊？呢度 OK。咦？呢度咪我哋啱啱俾人抌落街嗰度？呢度有個 VHS 播帶機，條帶喺度原來。我哋播帶先。
All right, Miss Harper, please explain the situation. Spare no details.
Well, like any night, all the children were asleep. It was peaceful, quiet. Catnap had the red smoke in the room. Then suddenly there was this scream. Nightmares happen, I know, but this, dilated pupils and quivering lips. The way her eyes darted around the room, and I swear, her hand in mine, it felt like her blood was boiling beneath her skin. She saw something too, something horrible. I'm sorry, I don't mean to.
Miss Harper, we'll provide the very best care we can offer. You have my word. But this is important. Did Marie happen to describe what she saw?
Yes, a monster, she said that it was colorless. Gosh, I could feel the poor little heart pounding. For her, it was right there. And her movements, they were so wild. Arms flailing, legs kicking. I wanted to talk to her, see how she's doing. I really need to hear her voice right now.
That would not be advised, Miss Harper. There are many concerns we must address at this time. But vitals show normal, and we'll continue to monitor. She'll be okay.
Well, pardon me if I'm not comforted by that. Just bring my little girl back to me.
因為 Miss Harper， 你可唔可以冷靜少少？因為 Miss Harper 可唔可以冷靜少少？真係認真。咦？呢度我哋慢慢俾人抌落街嗰度。話呢個廁所有啲咩效喎？我呢度仲有個，等陣啊！呢度開得㗎？可唔可以有嘢收埋咗咧？查下先，又有 camera， 咁都點解會有 camera 嘅呢個地方？咁睇嚟只能夠拎電池啦。我哋 check 下仲有冇其他咩漏咗先。仲有呢間詭異嘅廁所，上面有啲清潔劑。OK， 呢度冇嘢啦，睇嚟咁開門啦。呢度有部嘢飲機，收翻隻手先，我哋行啦。開到漏管道就嚇死我。崩巴不瞓，你記得我 ？OK， 好啊。你冇嘢啊嘛，大笨象。啊，崩不崩笨瞓。嗯？電話響喎又。等等，有接電，有一接電真係有人唔簡單啦。呢度係咪有電話？哦，呢度。呼。
Hey, can you hear me? You look kind of lost. I don't want you to die, so I'm gonna help you. Check this out. Look at the tube thing on the back wall. Ready? Boom! You
哇！
can use that battery to open the door.
多謝你喎，先生。開門。咁 Q 暗嘅喂。
Whoa!
Oh my gosh！
You do that? I guess that's where Catnap found you.
喂，等等。
I know you're probably mad at Poppy for not letting you escape, but she needs you. We need you. You are our mission. Together, we can save a lot of people, including you. Playcare is straight ahead. It's the home of Catnap, one of the smiling critters. There used to be 8 of them, I think. Now it's just him. Playcare is his church, his hunting ground, whatever he wants it to be. You better get moving quickly. We'll keep in touch. Oh, and by the way, my name is Ali. Nice to meet you.
Ollie， 新人嚟㗎。同埋想講，我記得 Chapter 2架火車個煙囪係喺中間㗎喎，點解會喺車頭嗰位？個車變咗形喎，同埋點解會多咗個鐘嘅喂？明明唔同咗樣喎，咪扮唔知喎，我知喎，我記得㗎喎。咁睇我哋只能夠行呢度啦。我哋要去前往呢個咩 Playcare 中心，係咪呢度啊？喂 ，yes。呢個係 Huggy Wuggy 定係 Kissy Missy 咧？我真係認唔到啦。定係點解我隻手變咗黃色嘅喎？有啲詭異啊！咁睇我哋應該行呢邊，係咪有嘢拎？係咪有咩文件？你唔知？嚇死我咩張凳？OK， 張凳卡住咗已經。OK， 非常之多北嘅呢隻 game 真係。但應該係行呢邊。又嚟呢個咩嚟啊？呢個？呢個係咩？但係個瞄準喺邊啊？哦，前面，所以應該係要。反方向扯。點扯啊？問題。哦，咁樣 ，OK。然後打 ，OK，明啦。我哋就開咗呢個啦。咁我哋行啦。呢度又有隻公仔，同埋點解有甩機嘅喂？我懷疑我咪漏咗啲咩未拎。Entrance 冇啦，咁我哋上去啦。一頭腳步聲。OK。
Hey, I'm Chicken. Wanna go outside and hang out? It's looking pretty rad outside. I've never been outside before. Will you come with me?
No。
I'm scared.
我更加俾你 scared， 我更加唔要跟你行。
Here, follow me.
Follow you， 然後你就尖叫啦。OK。呢度睇嚟係一架纜車嚟喎，呢個咁就係拉掣啦。Joy，Let's go，Joy。你確定 Joy？ 我唔 Joy 喎。呢個賓數嚟喎呢個。呢個遊樂園 Playtime 遊樂園 Playtime 遊樂園 Playtime 遊樂園都仲係 Playtime 遊樂園。另一邊嘅開閘啦。咁睇嚟我哋只能夠入去咯，冇嘢拎嘅話我哋就 Let's go 入咯喎 ，Go loading。睇應該係行呢邊冇錯。哇！我唔係拉咗掣落嚟嘅咩？點解升翻上去嘅？係咯，兩邊都係。
Is Elliot Ludwig. When you look around at the world today, what one thing do you think it needs more of? I asked around once. Money, I never have enough. Understanding, I can never get any. Faith, the common man has lost it. Each answer was different.
咁斜嘅，但係張凳又唔係斜嘅喎。
But I think each was also missing something. Something simple.
Oh my god！ 前面個咩嚟㗎？
One of them could muster a smile.
繼續講啊喂。
A smile is hope. A
係
smile
希望，
is love.
係愛，
A smile is
係明白。
understanding. And there is nothing more gratifying to my soul than being the reason for a child's smile. To be the spark that ignites all their hopes and dreams. For it is only through hopes and dreams that we may create a better world. One where our children need not be afraid. One where they are protected.
呢個鐵波係咩玩法？
This company and its toys are nothing without them. These children deserve to smile. They deserve to love. And they deserve
哇！哇，好大霧。
home.
哇！
It is with enormous
呢度邊度嚟㗎喂？
the founder of Playtime Co. I announce
哇！
care.
歡樂托兒中心。
On-site orphanage. But it's not only that.
哇！咁靚嘅呢度，
A playhouse.
有學校，有玩具屋。
Our very own ecosystem beneath the surface.
哇！
Dedicated in every inch and detail
哇！但係中間有隻雕像冧咗落嚟喎。
smile. It's
你確定真係 smile？ 我唔 smile 喎。
fathers until such a time they
有間學校。
in you. May play care bring joy, inspiration, and smiles to all who enter these doors. For what gives life its meaning if
哇！斜到你啊 ，double 啦。Welcome to Play Care， 歡迎嚟到歡樂托兒中心。一嚟就有個 嗱，我唔會再講呢個係 Candy Cat 噶啦，OK？ 有個 Huggy Wuggy 斷手斷臂斷埋個頭。
It's me again, Ollie.
Ollie，
Cool place, right?
yes， 但係有
Kids
血。
used to live here. Now look at it. Anyways, do you see that statue in the middle of the room? Take the
Yes，
stairs that go under it. There's a really cool room in there that powers literally all of Playcare. I can give you a key down there.
I'm
Fun. Crafty Corn。 Crafty Corn。 Nope。 Hoppy Hotspot。 呢個係 Piggy Piggy。 Dog Day。 Bobby Bear Hug。 呢個係 Kitchen Chicken。 但我成日都有 Kitchen， 是但啦。呢度跌咗隻公仔落嚟喎，睇唔出係啲咩公，睇唔出係邊隻。不過睇個款，我應該估到係 catnap 嚟嘅，應該係 catnap 嚟嘅。咁我哋落去啦。誒，佢唔係話喺度落去咩？唔係呢邊咩？我呢邊。呢邊。係啦，我哋落去啦。我哋落嚟呢度係咪開到門啊？有冇咩紙條啊？冇咩聲 ？What？ 有條鎖匙 ？Gas production zone。
You got the key. Now the question you're probably asking yourself is, where does it go? Well, head back out, and you should find a door just to the left of the cable car you took down here.
係啊，嗰個藍嗰度。紅色門係咪 ？Gas production zone。 我哋等間先嚟睇個大地圖啊！我哋等間先嚟睇。咁我哋入咗呢個咩 gas production zone 先。let's go。睇下呢度嘅最大陰謀係啲咩啦？有啲難跑喎，今次改盤。Watch your step no。 哇！
To the gas production
咩聲啊？
the beating heart of the whole evil Playcare system. All that gas you see coming from the machine is made right
隔離有
here
播
in
緊
the
歌喎。
factory. It's called the red smoke.
Red
Right
smoke。
now, it's all headed off to the right. We need to make that red smoke go left instead.
去到最
That's
左
how we
邊。
can get to him. The machine will probably have a few dumb safeguards for you to work around.
要撳多
But I
電
think
線
you
喎
can
佢。
do it. I'll call you once it's done.
係咪撳掣啊？真係撳掣冇電喎佢冇電喎，佢冇電咁點算啊？喂，冇電我點幫你啊？冇電係咪呢邊啊？呢度唔拉得。睇到做乜春？啊係啊，順帶一提，我哋今日係有兩位朋友陪我哋嚟玩呢個 Chapter 3啊，係兩位。咁 Happy Enderman 就最近忙緊啦，咁所以佢就唔得閒陪我玩。今次就係另外兩位嘅。問題我哋冇紫色手臂喎，有個紫色掌人喺度。哦，呢度，哇！我哋有新手臂啊！我係播一播帶先，因為我都唔知呢個咩嚟啊！哇，花晒喎，安唔安全啊 ？GrabPad 2.0 Working Prototype 即係工作版本，更加長嘅電線。Switch hand is easy。哦。Switch hand 有個 air jet， 哇！有噴射背包喎，今次係有噴射功能嘅喎，我可以減低墜落傷害。哇！呢個紫色手臂有啲高級啊。不過要睇下你降落喺邊，傻嘅咩？唔係所有嘅地板都安全降落㗎，可以。多謝你，小心啲用你嘅背囊。 咩時間啊 ？Playtime，What's the time？Playtime。太好啦！今次我哋而家終於有電筒啦。將粒播緊歌，算啦，唔理啦。我哋上去先。OK， 幾好用啊！呢個手臂都。然後我哋睇嚟又要拍 call 啦。咦？呢度係咪有嘢？哦，一樣嘅啫係嘛？應該一樣嘅啫，係一樣嘅啫。喂 ，up，喂，有啲難用喎呢個手臂。嘿，知咪3、2、1，嘿呀！喂，頂頭嘅。嘿呀！喂，頂頭。得啦。嘿，無事。哇！日真係跌落街。依個啊，係咪？喂，點下呢個？過嚟先，然後降落嚟，咁樣啊？跟住我大概估到點行啦呢個。然後過嚟呢度，然後落嚟呢度。哎呀！然後再過嚟。OK， 非常之好嘅 parkour 解謎，輕鬆，輕輕鬆鬆，哇！哇點啊呢度？呢度又點啊？咩啊？咩啊？點啊？呢度駁電，然後呢個要扭過嚟依邊啊嘛？應該我要解2個先，跟住嗰個。直過呢度啱咯，所以冇問題，所以直接，咦冇嘢㗎呢度，都冇嘢嘅咩？啊係喎，對唔住，冇嘢嘅呢度，咁所以應該係嗰邊冇錯嘅，然後依個要扭過嚟 ，yes， 所以呢個要再校過 ，OK 準嘅，我哋 let's go， 去，靚波，輕輕鬆鬆啦。呢度都要一個，所以我哋要上返去先。係，有啲難用喎呢個紫色手臂。落去，然後呢個可以唔使喐，係嗰個喐。但係打唔到喎。哦，等陣。OK， 今次調返轉射嗰個先，然後要咁樣。叫我破解大師，太輕鬆啦！解謎過度輕鬆，我哋過對面啦。過度輕鬆 ，no signal，no signal，no signal， 全部 no signal。咁我可唔可以偷咗嚿電出嚟先？我哋掹翻嚿電出嚟先。喂，唔得喎，我掹唔翻喎。咁應該而家撳掣，應該 OK 噶啦。Yes， 得咗 ，Yo。Puppy Playtime online. Go 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 go. Whoa whoa! What the fuck? What the fuck? Why? 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 喂 Ollie 咩事啊？喂 Ollie。喂 Ollie。Home sweet 咩嚟啊 ？Home sweet home，Home sweet home 甜蜜之家 ，Home sweet home，go go go， 嚟啦！我哋而家要去下一個地方啦 ，Home sweet home 啊，甜蜜之家，應該睇得出係幾難過關。今次我哋應該都，哇，大佬你唔好咁暗啦，喂！備用電源都有啩，黐孖筋，冇備用電源，戇居睇下暗到黐線，你呢個叫備用電源？我唔敢玩，我已經驚驚地啦，喂，連呢度都冇埋電啊，唉 shit 啦 PK 啦，唉連我咩聲啊？咩聲啊？咩窮，哦鎖匙 ，Home sweet home。Restore power in Home Sweet Home。重新接駁電源喺 Home Sweet Home。Home Sweet Home 喺邊啊？喂，等下先，我上一秒先話，等間先同大家睇地圖，而家就要睇啦。Home Sweet Home，Home Sweet Home，Home Sweet Home 喺正上方。Toy Store school，我哋又咁樣兜過去咯。呢度係嗰個玩樂唔係玩樂屋嗰個叫咩啊？嘉年華會嗰啲馬戲團啊，馬戲團係冇錯。呢個應該就係 Home Sweet Home 啦，係嘛？應該係依個嗬，應該係依個嗬，依個係 Home Sweet Home 我冇認錯噶嘛，Home Sweet Home 嚟嘛依個。喂，開喂，喂，我唔要入去啊喂，喂，我 feel 到不妙啊入面，喂，入唔入好啊？入唔入好啊喂？但係冇得唔入喎，入咯喎，喂，你陪我入喎。OK， 咁行咯喎，行咯喎 ，Let's go，Let's go。我驚啊喂，大佬，我已經開始驚緊啦，我已經開始驚緊啦。後面有嘢冇啊？喂，我手電筒啊！我手電筒啊喂！我手電筒咧喂！等陣，我手電筒冇啊！喂，手電筒啊喂！喂，手電筒啊喂！哇！咁多紅煙，喂，我冇 mask 喎，入唔到去喎喂！喂，我冇 mask 我入唔到去喎，但係咩啊？點都要踩係嘛？應該我行咯，應該冇嘢個嗬。喂，啲紅色已經行入去，喂 OK 個嗬。喂，Simon OK 個嗬。我你確定 OK？ 啲紅煙咁樣喎，多到你確定 OK？OK 啊 ，OK 高喎。Oh shit！ 喂，我手臂咧喂，我手臂咧喂，點解隻黑兒喺地下？喂，我手臂咧？喂，門口咧？喂，門口咧 ？Shit！ 咁睇嚟只能夠向下行咯喎。喂，暗到咁，喂，我縮遠啲先，喂，唔好俾佢 jump scare 我喂。哇，咁長一條走廊，出啊！我咩都睇唔到，咩都聽唔到，我眯埋眼玩啊！我而家真係黐線嘅，我眯埋眼玩啊！我縮到勁遠啊，知唔知？你見唔見到我縮到勁遠啊？喂，寫咩啊？喂，文盲啊？寫咩啊？喂，你不如手寫啦，咩 Poppy， 咩 MD 分，咩 No 分 ，Y 咩 Was It Love 啊？咩啊？講咩啊？嚇！我行左定行右啊？喂，行左定行右好啊？喂，行左定行右好啊？Simon 行左定行右好啊？左啊，左 OK。我縮到勁遠喎而家，好驚。
Tragic news this morning as of 9:45 a.m. Local authorities report that the body of a young boy has been found on the estate of the late Elliot Ludwig, an esteemed toy maker and originator of the Playtime Company. At this time, an identity for the child
我縮到勁遠啊依家。
found in an upstairs bedroom in a large duffel
好
bag.
驚，我就係驚呢啲，
Report that the remains of
我就係驚呢啲
Elliot
咁嘅古仔啊！
as well as key bones from the skeletal structure were reported missing from the body.
冇嘢，
It's
認真真係
unknown
冇
at
嘢
this。time whether this extraction was, in fact, the cause of death.
我咪集信啊，咁行咗咯，冇閃嘅話行咗，有閃行右。 我
Following
頂！
the events, Playtime Co. was asked for any comment regarding the discovery. This is what they
我
had to
知
say.
啊，
Quote,
我知我拍緊片啊，
"Sickening.
但我都係驚啊，
Elliot
行咗。
Ludwig was a great man. Those who knew him understood
我聽埋
he
先
was。not capable of violence, let alone what others now claim.
我不嬲驚恐怖 game 㗎啦
And his heart
，Chapter 2我已經好驚啊，你知其實。
making the actions of whoever planted this body all the more sick. We look forward to
最我戴住頭戴式耳機咧，啲聲喺我周邊嚟咧，我仲驚。
Stay tuned for more.
哇！突然之間爆音喎個喇叭 ，Stay tuned and more。喂，咁我哋繼續向前行。右邊有電話響喎，呢邊有電話響喎。邊度啊？喺呢度，揾到啦！電話響，聽電話。
To run.
我必須要跑。喂，認真嗱， 我 feel 到我而家行出去個門口即刻出事，你信唔信啊？你信唔信？嚟喎！I need to run。我 run 到去邊啊？我行咗出去咯喎。
Despite Playtime's proclamation of Ludwig's innocence, many believe his reclusive and
Ten
precise
cents.
nature displayed over the previous decades lends suspicion to this claim. When questioned, Ludwig's neighbors indicated that he would often return to his home in strange hours of the night and depart again before sunrise. Some believed he was sick. Others that don't move an inch. Playtime Co., it seems, intends to keep Elliot's name within its brand regardless. What is sure to be a long legal battle.
好暗啊！講完啦嘛？講完我行喎，好暗啊，勁暗啊，黐線！我頂！閃行右。咩聲啊？咁暗嘅喂，行右定左我唔記得咗啲。喂唔得喎，行右啊，應該行右，應該行呢邊。咁綠嘅喂，我頂！邊個敲門？邊個敲門？邊個敲門？唔係啊，佢突然之間敲門嚇 Q 我。行呢邊係嘛？真係冇錯啦，真係冇行錯啦我。哇！敲門嚇 Q 我咩？喂路咧喂！聽唔明人話？嚇？嚇？嚇？即係點啊？後面又有路嘅喂，咁我繼續行喎。應該行呢邊。我好驚，其實我而家真係超驚。Get up！ Get up！ 咩 get up 啊 ？get 咩 up 啊？我聽砰砰兩聲嘅喂，係咪 catnap 喺我附近啊？其實。行左邊。喂，點啊？點啊？完未啊？完未啊？到未啊？其實好驚啊！喂啊！有細路喊緊嘅聲啊！唔好喊啦，細路！咪喊啦，仆街收爹啊！呢度有帶，咩聲嚟㗎？播帶，哇！黑叫Aki。
Greetings, employees, and welcome to your first day here in Playtime. We're certain that in the days to come, you'll find your new family here every bit as loving and supportive as your own. Feel free to wander the halls, sit in the mess for lunch, or watch our children play and learn to their little hearts' content. Join the innovationists where the bounds of science are continuously pushed. Or join the counselors of Playcare whose diligence and care for our children will help shape a brighter future. Just you see. Now, every one of you has your part in that future, so should you come back tomorrow feeling unhappy for where you are or what you've done, worry not, for your supervisor is here and happy to listen. And should you come back years later, your contact finally getting better.
哇！黑爺你做咩啊？哇！變咗樣嘅喂！喂！嗱，走定唔走？走定唔走？喂！佢唔俾我令佢望其他地方喎喂！佢唔俾我望其他地方，一定要望住個 mon 喎。Oh shit！我 feel 到不妙。哇！個黑傑變咗惡魔黑傑。哇！嗰個樣，喂，走得唔走啊？喂！佢唔俾我望周圍添啦，已經。
figure your place in the world.
我喐方向掣冇反應啊
The world that's theirs.
！Oh shit！
Welcome.
Welcome home，做咩啊？做咩啊？What the fuck？What the fuck？喂，開門啦！走啊！Fuck you，黑傑！Fuck you！喂！喂！吓？誒？我冇死到？誒？我冇死到？誒 ？Bad dream， 我冇死到喎。佢唔講嘢。哇！我冇死到喎，我死唔去喎，我冇死到，所以啱啱嗰個係噩夢。哇 ！OK， 唔怪之啱啱有 BB 喊聲啦，因為有啲咁嘅嘢。哇！呢個咩事啊喂？喂，呢個咩事啊喂？阿生你冇嘢啊嘛？哇！有血喎！哇！有月經喎，唔係有血喎。喂，唔好再咁暗啦！而家就話有電筒好啲啫，唔開得。呢個攞膠紙封，哇！攞膠紙封添啊，要用到。我應該成功。Oh yeah！Oh my god！ 我有面具。喂，我可唔可以即刻而家躝出嚟啊？我而家不如直接翻屋企算啦。我哋要 equip mask， 我哋要戴面具啊！呢度應該行唔到。我啞咗佢媽咪 long legs。咁我哋應該係時候唔好戴面具住，睇唔到嘢。我哋應該落咗去先，落去。我應該係落嚟。哦，有 red smoke， 唔怪之得啦。哇！呢架咩車嚟㗎？呢架我咪放手就會衝啊！3、2、go！ 哇！戴面具先，費事吸到毒氣。喂，唔會好似 Chapter 2咁樣向上抬，跟住今次係 Catnap 跌落嚟係嘛？應該唔會啊。哦，今次唔會，今次冇嘢。唉，哇！咁我可以除面具啦，應該。Yes，good。點走？喂，唔俾開門。可以喎，可以喎，呢度可以開門。hello。我哋上翻嚟呢度。妖，上翻嚟呢度，開咗道門啊嘛，屌！呢度係邊度嚟㗎？喂，呢個係咪可以扯？呢個可以扯出嚟嘅。行開呢啲咁嘅工具。家私。喂，咁 Q 暗嘅喂。哇！有個吊喺度嘅 Boogie Bots。賓嫂，喂，阿賓嫂你冇嘢啊嘛？我哋開門先，我哋要遠距離開門。哇 ！Shit Catnap。Shit。We should move precisely and quietly。我哋應該靜靜雞，因為我啱啱見到 Catnap 本人。我哋咪應該 Catnap 唔喺度啦嘛 ？OK 唔喺度啦。Very safety。我哋要2嚿電池喎，我哋呢度要多1嚿，咁只能夠行呢邊。喂，又嚟！呢度門開得嘅。喂 ，QC 咩事喎？喂 ，QC 咩事？喂，我可唔可以入嚟啊？喂，佢唔俾我入啊！佢拎住幅相，呢個咪佢細個啊？佢未變成 Kissy Missy 之前嘅女仔係嘛？應該，咁我哋上去咯。竟然呢度冇嘢嘅話，就上去咯。Let's go！ 哇！喺度邊度嚟嘅呢度？呢度係邊春度嚟嘅呢度？我嚟咗啲咩地方嚟？電池，我哋要嘅電池有啦。喂 ，what the fuck？ 咩聲？啱啱係咪聽到有嘢砰咗一聲？冇嘢㗎，應該冇嘢嘅，冇嘢嘅，唔好自己嚇自己，冇事。撳掣，不要自己嚇自己，唔掹得㗎啦，妖！咁開咗門就行啦，開咗門就行啦，咁就我哋上嚟呢邊 呢度咪啱啱上面嗰度，又有 Kiss Miss 張相喎。哇！呢間房咩嚟啊？我係又係噗噗車時間，噗噗車時間 ，Go！ 噗噗車時間，咦？我哋又撞翻出嚟咯喎！咩聲啊？咩噗隆噗隆噗隆噗隆噗隆？我又開咗一邊，我哋仲要另一邊，即係嗰邊仲要開埋。Piggy，It's Piggy。呢度要駁電，所以換手臂。不過我哋周圍望下先，睇下冇咩紙條，冇我哋就開嘢。唔係喎，有，我哋爭啲漏。揾下嗰個機先。部機喺邊啊？唔係嗰個卡帶喺邊啊？呢度一播嘢喎。咦？咁嗰個 disc 喺邊啊？個 disc 個碟喺邊啊？個碟咧？個碟咧喂？個碟個碟喺邊啊？喂？個碟咧喂？係咪喺梳化上啊？唔係喎，喺邊啊？呢度有得播碟喎，有冇人睇到個碟啊？喂，有冇人睇到揾到嗰塊碟喺邊啊？我揾唔到喎。哦，應該要駁咗電先，駁電。我哋揾唔到帶喎呢度，咁喺前面揾帶。呢度係咪有帶 ？What the fuck？What the fuck？ 咩聲啊？喂，我拉唔到電喎！我呢度，咁樣立電 ！Give me 電 ！Give me 電 ！Just give me 電 ，is okay。我呢度 ，OK，good。跟住俾邊啊？俾咩啊？俾咩啊？呢度。哦，呢度開呢度。喂，咁所以啱啱個餅帶我仲係未揾到喎。我哋係咪漏咗餅帶啊？出唔翻去啊 PK 啊！shit， 咁算啦，少咗餅帶啦已經。我哋要快，我哋動作要快。呢度 go。呢度駁唔駁到嗰度咧？可以，應該得喎。可以，喂得喎。哇！喂，Bobby 啤黑喎。Bobby 我哋好冷靜，我哋而家反而咁冷靜嘅，啱啱嗰個唔係我嚟嘅，記住，我哋而家異常地冷靜咗。咦 ？OK， 成功。我哋可唔可以行呢度啊？可以喎。哇！雪櫃入面又擺住咗啲嘢，呢度唔行得，咁唯有行呢邊咯。哇！唔得，我想講 Chapter 3嘅心理壓力係仲大過 Chapter 1、2啊！我想講 Chapter 1、2嘅心理壓力都冇呢個勁啊！真係黐孖筋，戇居。喂，一嚿電，我哋仲有另一嚿電，呢度。我哋又上返嚟呢度，我今次又熄咗個機。Shut up the fucking music！ 我呢度可以出去。我呢度啱啱出去噶啦。我諗睇嚟，我哋啱啱已經完咗呢度啦。咁我哋可以落返去先，即係唔係呢度啦。呢度冇嘢喎。喺度要開呢道門咯。咁我哋要去邊呢？其實我哋要去邊呢？我有啲問號緊，我哋而家仲。我開呢道門，然後咧上面駁電，駁完呢條電之後咧，呢度有冇嘢用啊？邊度要用電啊？ 有個 bear hug。我想講我個腦袋仲撈緊到喺邊度要用電，我揾唔到啊！喂，邊度要用電啊？咁所以到底？喂，唔得，等先，佢個 music 好大聲，佢音樂太大聲，得。music 太大聲啊，真係黐孖筋。撳錯掣，等，撳錯掣。music audio 我要減到30，哇，黐線，好大聲到你啊！噔。哦，我知邊度啦！快！我 OK，我決定要加速。OK，我決定，我知。等先，我要而家預速度先。嗱，呢度駁完衝去左邊，開到 OK， 得我知行啦。係 ，go！ 開門，快 up，go， 衝！呢度 one， 收手，收翻個電。Shit the fucking hell！ 開門 ！What the fuck！ 嚇死咩 catnap？ 會呢個咩嚟㗎？我想問下，呢個係咩事啊？喂，做乜鬼有個喺度吊住咗喺度嘅？喂，唔係啊，點解會有個咁樣攝咗喺個取咗卡不卡喺個門檻度？喂，跟住呢度有個 OK， 我哋行啦，我哋睇人用車。黑基沃基嗰度有個。哇！黐線。
Hug a day keeps the monsters away. 2 hugs a day is better in every way. Hugging forever. Hugs are non-stop. I'm gonna hug you until you pop.
Oh my gosh！
Hug a day keeps the monsters away.
重複啦，喺前面咯。佢啱啱話佢會攬到我，直至我爆炸。What the fuck？ 又有 red smoke。哇！呢間房，哇！要戴面具喎前面。唉，呢度又可以入得嘅。哇！呢度有 cabinet 喎，我有面 cabinet 嚟㗎呢個。冇碌屎喎，都仲係，到而家仲係冇碌屎。呢間房應該有 red smoke 嘅，係果然冇錯，所以我哋戴鏡。然後我哋要行咁樣輸入去。OK， 開門啊喂！喂！我卡咗北啊喂！你睇下，我另外第二邊嗰陣時有 red smoke。喂，開門啊喂，大問題。喂，開門啊喂！喂，卡北啊喂！喂，唔係啊！喂，唔好啊喂！睇下，喂，要死！喂，卡北啊妖 ！Oh my gosh！ 卡北啊 ！Holy crap！ 唯有 reload 啦 ！Oh my god no！由依度嚟過，哇！我哋唔使睇房啦，已經直頭戴面具行入去，然後開門。喂，真仲係唔開得嘅？咁我哋而家就重新開始多一次呢個 part。咁啊，開始之前，希望大家可以撳個 like、share 俾你嘅 friend 睇 ，subscribe 我個 channel，follow 我嘅 IG，咁出新片嘅時候你就會收到通知啦。咁我嘅 IG 係 KYLO._816。咁我哋繼續我哋喺 Home Sweet Home 入面，去到播呢個嘅後備 generator。 咁希望今次唔好卡北啦，因為嗰隻 catnap 係消失咗嘅。I mean， 我哋上次喺嗰個揸車個位右上角嗰隻 catnap 係消失咗嘅。喂，認真，認真，認真，認真。What？ 喂喂喂！今次到你卡北啊
Julian，
喂喂！今次到你卡北喎喂，你睇下。你不如對冧我算啦，呢隻 game 真係。你睇下又卡北啦。我睇下係咪撞開咗？如果撞開咗，收翻嚟。撞開咗早響啦。咁多北嘅點解可以做到開門 ？Catnap，Did you hear？ 喂，點解都仲係開唔到㗎？喂，我妖！喂 ！Oh my god！ 我係咪白痴嚟㗎我？原來佢係叫我轉左啊！嗰道門係真係開唔到㗎！哎呀，呢度先係啊！哎呀，犯蠢啦，今鋪真係，唉，行呢度啊，原來，唉，我做緊啲乜嘢啊？到底我癲刺，哎呀，原來唔係卡北啊！我鬼啊，搞到我撈咁多次又死咁多次，哎呀，激死！開門，哇，咁樣開一道門。咦，我哋翻出嚟咯，係咁搞掂佢啦，係塞翻嚿電入去，塞電，開，搞掂，咩成日開咗咩啊？應該開咗道大門口 ，Yeah，Let's go，Let's go， 誒 ，Daddy Long Legs， 都係講唔到嘢嘅 Daddy Long Legs，Let's go， 我哋躝出去啦喂，哇呼！哦，唔係 backup generator，sorry， 冷靜啲。我哋終於過到啦。OK， 原來係我犯蠢，唔係隻 game 有筆，係我蠢。OK， 我哋行啦。OK， 呢度，哦，呢度就啱啱個通風管嗰度。乜嘢做足功課先？唔係我想㗎，唔係我想㗎。呢個要點咧？呢個係咪咩啊？呢個拉，哦，寫呢個先係嘛？應該拉 ，OK， 跟住點啊？哦，跟住我人入去先 ，OK， 得入咗去啦。跟住我可以拉翻個掣熄咗佢先，係咪啊？可唔可以熄咗佢先？我可以熄咗佢先 ，OK，turn off。呢個拉過嚟應該係要係，跟住呢邊點解密咧？其實我要肥啲咩？個 target 係咩？個 target 係咩啊？頭先呢度門係咪開得㗎？唔得㗎喎呢度，入面好似有啲嘢咁樣。個 target 喺邊啊？哦，依個肥依個。跟住依個要咁樣 turn 瞄側邊 ，OK。跟住依個我要收翻隻右手先，然之後我要瞄準呢度 ，OK。然之後就咁樣射過嚟，依個要接收 target，所以應該係咁樣。誒，咁但係哦，依度咁所以 呢個拉實，然後拉嗰個先，拉實，然後同時間呢部機都要着，呢個要 turn 個位，我要兩個都掂到 ，OK， 真係聰明如我 ，OK。然之後呢度，哇咁紅嘅呢度，搞掂啦，我哋行啦。有啲迷之音樂啊！哇頂，又係呢個 Chapter 1嘅氣管，衝啊！我頂你啊！又係呢個 Chapter 1嘅氣管，我真係俾啲氣管嚇死啊！真係就嚟會，我可能咧1/3咧隻 game 嘅，我可能1/3咧俾隻 game 嚇親嘅成分就係呢個氣管啊！let's go， 我哋上翻去啦。哇！我哋又翻嚟啦呢度，我哋翻嚟呢度啦。我哋走啦，我哋可以走啦，耶！我哋可以離開呢個嘟地方啦，Yo！ Holy shit！ 喂
No!
Poppy！ Kiss Miss 嚟㗎呢個，呢係我 Kiss Miss 嚟㗎呢個。哇嚇死咩 Poppy？
I'm glad that Ollie could help you get this far. He's the reason we found you at all. Looks like the train crash hurt us both. You've been through so much. You deserve an explanation. Come on.
哇！有 Kiss 保護我就安心好多啦，有阿 Kiss 喺度我就好安心啦。咁大隻怪物。哇！呢個邊度嚟呢度？哇！做咩啊 ？Poppy。哇！專貨你用啊！哇！個掣細到咁嘅，個掣係度身訂做噶嘛？咦？後面升咗個 platform 上嚟。喂，個掣會唔會度身訂做得滯啊？喂，咁鬼細呢個掣。我入去係嘛？入咗嚟咯。
Listen, I'm not your enemy, but I can't just let you leave. What's happening down here is bigger than all of us, and I need you.
你需要我
We can get revenge on those monsters who've tortured you, who've tortured us. They didn't act alone. They're disciples of the original, the prototype. Do the honors?
我好驚啊，大佬！做咩啊？喂，你唔好原地趴低啊，大佬 ！Kiss Miss 係咪咁滯啊？你唔好原地趴低，哇呀！你唔好突然間原地趴低啦 ，Kiss Miss 好冇？我哋開翻個 generator， 我哋開落去咯喎。吓？就上嚟撳個掣。
You try to escape, he'll kill you before you ever reach that front door. He's the reason I was trapped in that god-awful case for so long. You have no idea the things he's done. Let me help you kill him. Let me help you save everyone. We've all seen you, how capable you are. You killed Huggy. You killed Mommy. You freed me. You are perfect for this.
到底
Rip is coming. He's the final obstacle the prototype has placed against us. We can't stay here. Keep yourself safe. Ollie will call you.
吓？你要我自生自滅啊？喂 ，Kiss 你都跟埋嚟啦，咁不如你係怪物嚟噶嘛？喂，去邊啊？喂，你抌我落嚟？喂 ，Ollie， 喂 Ollie。
Hey, it's me again. It seems like Poppy explained everything now, and she turned on the dome's backup power. Now the plan from here is pretty simple. We need to restore power to the gas production zone. First, go back to the home sweet home building you were just in.
我仲要翻去。
Find a big power cord somewhere around the porch.
我仲要翻去。
Grab it and
唯有再翻去啦。喂，甩機咩啊？哦，依個係嘛？係咪依個啊？哦係。哦，哇！哇！想買呢條線係咪可以翹幾遠啊？我哋不如試下翹環成個 playcare 啊，好唔好啊？我哋翹晒所有嗰啲樹啊嗰啲繩，我哋環繞呢個 playcare 一圈先好嘛？翹到咁鬼長都得嘅，我哋再兜個圈先。喂，哇！翹到你啊！長到你一條繩，我翹到條線長到你，我翹咗3個圈咁滯喎已經。搞掂。
Awesome! Look at that! Remember that generator you turned on inside of Home Sweet Home? Well, that was a backup generator for just that building. And every building should have one. Now you've just taken Home Sweet Home's backup power and routed it here. We're already halfway done. But where to go next? Everywhere is pretty dangerous around here. That playhouse especially. Yuck! So, your best bet is probably the school. Catnap usually leaves that place alone. Sending you the key now.
send 咗啦。OK， 咁我哋睇嚟下個地方係要去 school 啦。咁我決定將呢一 part 都歸翻去上一 part， 即係第一集啦。咁所以我哋今集就到咁多先。如果大家中意嘅話，就記得俾 like、share 俾你啲 friend 睇，訂閱我個 channel，follow 我嘅 IG KYLO.82116。咁出新片嘅時候就會收到通知啦。好，我哋今集到咁多，我哋下集就去學校啦 ，Playcare 嘅學校。好，咁我哋下集見，拜拜。咁我有行前面啦。哇！走啦嚇，應該搏掂。Yes，搞掂，行咯。喂，咩嚟㗎？Mr. Light。